Welcome to episode 2. Last time we went from this to this. In today's video I'm going to be getting the frame back into tip-top condition. So first things first, let's get it all cleaned up. With the frame nice and clean, it's now time to remove the last of the parts. I think it's safe to say that this chain guide roller has seen better days. The same goes for this one too, as the bearings are almost seized up. My plan was to get the frame sandblasted, but as it's so close to the holidays, I couldn't find anyone to take it on, so I've had to resort to the messy way of stripping once more. The subframe, however, fits nicely into my blaster, so while the paint stripper is doing its thing, I'll blast this. Well, with the subframe blasted, you can see it's in quite good condition for the age of it. There's only one small repair needing done, and that's right here where the side plastics have been shaking around through the years and cut small grooves and even worn a small hole here. So let's get on with fixing that. Much better. Now let's go and check on the main part of the frame. I often get asked why I insist on using etch primer from a spray can. The answer is that it's quick, convenient and clean, as there is no clean up afterwards like there would be if I used a spray gun. I'm painting the frame with RAL 2002 paint, as it's widely accepted as the spot on match for this generation of Honda. With 3 coats of paint applied and cured, I'm left with this super glossy finish. Now all that's left to do is to protect the inside of the frame by injecting a rust inhibiting cavity wax. And there we have it, one CR frame restored and protected inside and out. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you all again next time for the next stage of the restoration. I was planning on fitting new bearing races and getting the data plate back on, but sadly the bearings and special rivets haven't arrived on time, so that will be a job for next time.